In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove user from channel in Slack. We'll walk through the exact clicks you'll make inside Slack, show you where the options live, and point out a couple of prompts you might see so there are no surprises. Before we start, a quick note on permissions. You'll need the right level of access to manage members in a channel. In many workspaces, only channel managers or admins can remove people, and private channels are more restricted than public ones. If you don't see the remove option, that's likely why. Start by opening Slack, either in your browser or the desktop app, and head to the workspace where the channel lives. From the sidebar, select the channel you want to manage. This brings up the conversation view. At the top of the channel, look for the area that shows the member count and channel details. Click it to view members and settings for this channel. In the channel details panel, switch to the members section so you can see everyone who currently has access. You'll notice each person listed with a small menu or three-dot icon next to their name that opens more actions. Choose the person you intend to remove by clicking their name to highlight their entry. Then, click the More Actions menu. In that menu, you'll see options like Make Channel Manager and Remove from Channel. The Make Channel Manager option promotes someone's role in the channel. It doesn't remove them. In our recording, that option is clicked momentarily, which you might do if you're exploring the menu, but for removal, you'll use the Remove from Channel option. Go ahead and select Remove from Channel. Slack will show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to remove this person. This is designed to prevent accidental removals. If you're just previewing the flow or you're unsure, click Cancel and nothing will change. That's a safe way to step back. When you're ready to proceed, repeat the same process. Open the More Actions menu next to the person's name and choose Remove from Channel. On the confirmation prompt, click Remove to finalize it. If you decide not to continue at this point, you can still cancel. The important thing to remember is that the change only takes effect once you confirm. After removal, the person will immediately lose access to the channel's content going forward. Past messages remain part of the channel history for everyone else. To show this again with another member, pick a different person in the members list and open the More Actions menu. You'll again see options including Make Channel Manager and Remove from Channel. Select Remove from Channel to bring up the confirmation. If your intention is to keep this person in the channel, click Cancel so they remain a member. That's perfectly fine to do if you're double-checking roles or verifying you've selected the right person. When you're done managing members, close the Channel Details panel by clicking the X in the top corner. You'll return to the main channel view, and your changes, if you confirmed any removals, are already applied. A few tips as you use this flow. If you don't see a specific person in the list, they may have already left the channel, or the channel may be synced with external organizations where permissions differ. For private channels, only invited members and those with elevated roles can make changes, so ask a channel manager or admin if you need help. If you're removing someone because they no longer need access, consider leaving a brief note in the channel for transparency. And if you remove the wrong person, you can re-add them using the channel's Add People button. That's the complete process for removing a user from a Slack channel, including how to back out safely if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to see those confirmation prompts again before making changes in your own workspace.